Hey there, welcome back to another video. I'm Baker Betty, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy recipe. These are marshmallow cereal treats. There are 3 simple ingredients and you can customize them to be any flavor you like. I love customizable recipes because you can get super creative with the flavors, and I'm going to show you how to do it. To start, we're going to melt 5 tablespoons or 70 grams of fat over medium-low heat. Butter is the most traditional, but if you can't use dairy, you can use coconut oil or non-dairy butter, or peanut butter is one of my other favorite variations. If you are using traditional butter, you can also take it one step further and keep cooking it until it's golden brown and smells really nutty. This is also known as brown butter. I'm making my best ever Rice Krispie treats here, so that is what I'm doing. Next, you want to add one 10.5 ounce bag or 297 grams of mini marshmallows. Also add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which you can omit if you did use salted butter or peanut butter. And add any kind of flavorings you might want to use. I added a 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract to my best Rice Krispie treats, but in my written article linked in the description, I have a chart with all kinds of flavoring ideas that you can choose from. Keep the heat to medium-low here because you don't want the marshmallows to get too hot, otherwise your treats will become really hard and brittle. Stir frequently until all of the marshmallows are melted. And now we're just going to combine with our cereal. I'm using Rice Krispies here, but use any kind of cereal you want, or even a combination of cereals. Combine the cereal and the marshmallow mixture with a spatula until evenly distributed. This is very sticky and a bit tricky, but just keep with it. Now if you want to add any solid mix-ins, you can fold those in here. I'm adding a few extra mini marshmallows so that I have some whole marshmallows throughout my treats. Transfer this mixture to a parchment-lined 8-inch or 20-centimeter square baking dish. Using a lightly oiled offset spatula or lightly oiled hands, gently press this down into the pan. You do not want to be firm with this at all. This is what keeps the treats really chewy and moist. Let the treats sit for about 2 hours to firm up before slicing. Now, as I said, this is a master recipe that can be used to make endless variations. So here I'm using peanut butter as my fat and a combination of Reese's Puffs and Cocoa Krispies as my cereal. But my absolute favorite combination I made while testing these was I used Cinnamon Toast Crunch as the cereal and I added in some butterscotch chips. I am telling you, those were to die for. This is such a fun recipe to make with kids because it only takes about 15 minutes to throw together, and you can let them be creative to come up with flavor ideas. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you make this recipe, please let me know what kind of flavor variation you came up with. I'm always happy to answer your questions. You can leave those down in the comment section, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a video. I'll see you next week. Bye.